This is Nikki. Nikki is an outgoing teen with a funny sense of humor. She has this one enemy, Mackenzie Hollister. Mackenzie Hollister is rude and very snotty, but Mackenzie has a party at her house, but Nikki and her only two BFFs were invited to be humiliated. Her two BFFs are Chloe and Zoe. Chloe and Zoe are both equally as funny, and both are library helpers with Nikki. They have a blast shelving books. A few days later, a Halloween dance is coming up, but Nikki had planned to miss it and go to face painting at her sister's ballet party. But that was before she got asked by Nikki's crush, Brandon. She was then asked by Chloe and Zoe, but she didn't think and attempted to do all three of them. A metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison of two unlike things that have something in common. An example of a metaphor in my book is when Nikki says she's a killer shark in sparkly nail polish, designer jeans, platform sneakers. Nikki doesn't actually mean that she's a shark. It means that she's as mean as a shark. A hyperbole. A hyperbole is an exaggeration or an overstatement. An example of a hyperbole is when Nikki says, "My stomach felt all fluttery like being attacked by a huge swarm of very ferocious yet fragile butterflies." Nikki's not actually being attacked by butterflies, it just means she's nervous. Hyperbole. Another hyperbole I saw is when Nikki says, "I'll die of starvation because all the food in the house is spoiled." Nikki doesn't actually mean she's going to die of starvation, it means she's just hungry. Or when she says all the food in the house is spoiled, it means most of the food is spoiled. My opinion. I really like this book because it relates to me by a lot. I'm very much like Nikki. I moved to a new school last year and made new friends. I also like this book because even though it looks like what a 10-year-old would read, it's at my reading level, and there's plenty of new words I learned, like the word extraordinary in page 58. Thank you for listening to my book talk. Connections. Number 1. I can relate to Nikki by her sister. Her sister's annoying and can be a handful. My two sisters are the same way. I can also relate to Nikki by her mom. Nikki really wants a phone, but her mom won't get her one, just like how my mom won't give me a phone. Number 3. I can relate to Nikki by Nikki's enemy, Mackenzie. I know many people like Mackenzie, but learn to stay away from them. I can also relate to Nikki by her love of art. Nikki really loves to draw and is really good at it. I also love to draw, but I wouldn't say I'm good at it.